Hello guys, this tutorial is in the continuation of the previous tutorials. In the previous tutorial we have seen how you can go for the Google site, how you can create the home page, how you can add the sub pages. So if you didn't watch that tutorial, I suggest you go through that tutorial so that you can understand this latest tutorial easily. So here I will tell you how you can link Google Form to your Google site. Because of linking Google Form, you can take the registration from the student. Suppose you are planning for online class, offline class, and you want the detail of the student, then you can send this link and they will add their information, and this information will reach to you. This information will reach to your site, okay, in the term of Google Form. So without wasting time, I will teach you how you can connect your Google Form. So here first you have to add the separate page for that. So in that plus icon, I am doing a registration option. Done it. So the next page is added here. If you want to change this text, you can change it. And then here in the insert, there is a form option. Once you open this, you will be getting your Google Forms list here. Whichever you want, you select this. I am selecting this. So you see that form is added here, and it will give the good look to your website. And suppose if I change it, so it will occupy the more space. So according to you, you can do it. Suppose if I am selecting up to here, it will look more proper. So suppose if you don't know how to make Google Form, then you search the video for Google Form, and I have already added link in the description. You go for that, and if you know the Google Form, then you can easily do it. So in this way, a student will do the registration in your website, and that registration detail you will be getting in your Google Form account. And in this way you can get connectivity with the student. So dear student, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you understood how you can link your Google Form to your Google site. So thank you.